Hello and welcome back. And in this video, we're going to be looking at how to localize images and show different images based on um, different selections for your locale. So I'm gonna actually import some images that I already have. So it's just saying hello in different languages. That's what it is, and I'm just gonna drag and drop those. So I have three versions. I have English, and there's a Hindi version, and there is a French version. So I'm just gonna rename these. Okay, so these are our assets, and we've already created and saved them. So I've downloaded these images, but it could be like something else for your need. Now what we're gonna do is in our storyboard we're gonna create an image view, and we're just gonna drop that image view right here. Gonna constrain it, so 20 20 20, and we're gonna give it height about 200 points. There we go. Okay, and make sure that aspect fit is the content mode, and we're gonna create our outlet. So I'm gonna copy that and change it to UI image view and image view. Okay, now let's go to the storyboard and first of all connect it to our newly created outlet, and then we're gonna write our localize image function. Okay, so what do we do basically for localizing images is we're gonna once again take help of NS localized string. So we're gonna in our localizable.string file, we're gonna create a key called image name, and we're gonna provide each image's name into that. So for example, for English, I'm gonna let's create. I copied for Hindi one, so let me paste that, and let me paste the English one, and oops, I was wrong, and this is the English one, and the French one is just calling bonjour. So there we go. Okay, so now what we have is like this key that stores the name of the image that particular locale supports. So all we need to do here is basically get that image from the assets. So we're gonna simply say image view dot image is equal to UI image named, and we're gonna use NS localized string macro here, and we're gonna say image name, and you can have like any name. I just decided to name this key image name, and comment we're gonna say name of the image per locale, like so. Okay, and with that if we go ahead and run it, we're gonna see different images being selected for different regions and different locales. So there we go. When we have English, it's hello, and when we have Hindi, it's gonna be something different, namaste, and when we go French, it's gonna have bonjour, like so. Okay, so that's how you actually choose different images, and you can localize your images as well if in case the need arises according to that. Now in the next video, what we're going to be wrapping up this course with is basically how we can change the name of the app according to the language that is selected by the system. So we're going to show different names like in names in the localized version, so in that particular region's main language or supported language that's supported by the phone. In that case, like it makes it more native. So if you remember, like when we changed the settings to basically the iPhone settings to support Hindi as the primary language, all the app names that are created by Apple, they were had like their Hindi names there. So we can actually do the same thing. So our app stands out more than any other basically apps. So that's what we're gonna do in the next video. Okay. So all right, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.